After we unpack 9803, let's check if these accessories are available. There are factory accessories, top empty bottle chromatographic column. After we unpack, we mainly have these accessories. This is a column. This is an empty bottle with a glue plug. Open the factory accessory bag. This is the network cable connecting the host and the computer. This is the trachea connected to the air source. This is the presser for pressing the lid of the empty bottle. This is the main power cord. This open wrench is suitable for tightening the interface. Then there are microliter and 10 microliter microsamplers. This is mainly the trachea connector and oxygen prohibited electricity. Here is the manual for the certificate Chromatography. Chromatography USB flash drive with software. There is also a factory report. After we remove the instrument from the box, put it in the right place. First, we need to connect our air source. The trachea in the accessory bag will be used. Take a paragraph. It is the nitrogen emptying machine to the appropriate position of the instrument. Then we compare the length. Cut the appropriate length with scissors. Then we get from the accessory bag. Pick out the right accessories. There's a steel pipe, a sealing plug, and a stud. Combined. After we install the trachea connector, one end is connected to the hydrogen interface of the nitrogen emptying machine. Tighten by hand first, then tighten it with a movable wrench. The other end is connected to the hydrogen interface corresponding to the 9803 instrument. Then tighten it with a movable wrench. Same thing. Put one end of the trachea connected to the nitrogen interface of the nitrogen emptying machine. Then tighten it with a movable wrench. The other end is connected to the carrier gas interface of the 9803 instrument. Tighten with a movable wrench. Same thing. Put one end of the trachea connected to the air interface of the nitrogen emptying machine. Then tighten it with a movable wrench. The other end is connected to the 9803 instrument air interface. Tighten with a movable wrench. After we connect the gas, take out the network cable from the accessory bag. One end is plugged into the network cable interface of the 9803 instrument. The other end is connected to the network cable interface of the computer. That's it. Connect the instrument power cord to the power socket. Next, we explain the installation of the chromatographic column. We flip the switch. Open this. And then we took out the column fitting. We found the graphene connector from the accessory bag and threaded fittings. Thread into the threaded joint first, then penetrate into the graphene joint. Leave 2 to 3 centimeters in length. Then we take a blade and cut off the top of the connector. Then break. The remaining length is 2 to 3 centimeters. And do the same thing at the other end of the column. Thread into the threaded joint first, then penetrate into the graphene joint. Cut off the head the same way. Break it off again. Then hang the column on it. As deep as possible, insert the column into the oxygen preventer outlet connector. Use the nut by hand first. Tighten with the outlet connector of the oxygen inhibitor. Then tighten the seal with a wrench. Same operation here. First, tighten it by hand. Then tighten the seal with a wrench. After the chromatographic column is installed, close the door. Take out the USB stick and the data. Install the dedicated Chromatograph software package. After inserting the USB stick into the computer, double-click to open the software. Just click Next to install it. This interface will pop up after installation. Then click to log in. This is the operating software of our instrument. Prepare 500 milliliters of purified water and 300 grams of potassium hydroxide. Pour potassium hydroxide into 500 milliliters of purified water. Stir, and then it cools down to room temperature. After cooling to room temperature, put the potassium hydroxide solution. Pour it into the solution port of our nitrogen emptying machine. Add until this water column reaches a third. Up to the 3/4 scale. Cannot be higher than the upper limit. Before we turn on the nitrogen emptying machine, first open this exhaust valve knob to the loosest. Then we drive normally. Press the switch on the side of the 9803 instrument again. Turn on the instrument. Turn on the instrument and go back to the computer. Minimize the software. Then turn on the computer. Check the Internet Protocol address. Then click on this local link. We found the protocol version. Enter the Internet Protocol address manually here. Then click OK. Go back to the 9803 instrument here. Click this icon. Then click Online Configuration. See here for settings of Internet Protocol address and default gateway. Is it the same as the computer settings? If the connection with the computer is successful, the networking status will show that it is connected. 10 minutes after our nitrogen emptying all-in-one machine is turned on. Turn off this exhaust valve again. Screw to the tightest. Then we will observe the pressure of these 3 meters. Hydrogen pressure, nitrogen pressure. Air pressure is about 400 billion 0.2 minus 0. The flow rate of hydrogen and nitrogen is displayed within 70. That's it. After we make sure the instrument is normally ventilated, start asking the instrument to enter the heating. So there's 3 areas of warming. 1 is static oxygen. Here is the actual temperature displayed. Then we will display the set temperature here. For example, now we set it to 150 degrees. Just press 150 and click Heat to open. Its temperature will rise. The temperature of the column box is generally set to 65 degrees. We turn the heat on. And then there's the detector temperature. Also set a target value. We usually set 150 degrees. Then heat it up and turn it on. Wait until our heating temperature reaches. We can light the fire. After the temperature reaches 150 degrees. Then let's see if this traffic is normal. The hydrogen flow rate is generally 30. Airflow is about 300. The tail blow is within 20. And here we have the signal value, now 0.33. We fire it up and its signal goes up. Its signal value will become level 10. Prove that the ignition was successful. After the instrument is successfully ignited, we click the acquisition icon here in the software. After acquisition and then operation, click on the machine line to 0. This time, we can see him walking the line normally. Production standard pressure. How many kinds of standards do we need to configure? How many kinds of analysis do we use? Pure solvent equal proportion mixing. For example, we prepare methanol, ethanol, isopropanol, ethyl acetate, etc. Then each of us. It's a disposable syringe. Extraction isoscale mixing. Extract 1 milliliter. Fit it into the sealed bottle. One milliliter of each. Then shake well to mix. After configuration, we analyze pure standard sample solutions in equal proportions, such as methanol, ethanol, ethyl propanol, ethyl acetate, and propylbutanone, butyl toluene ester. Solution standard solution. This is a mixed standard sample. Put that aside. This is an empty bottle. Seal it well. Then press down with crimp pliers. Remove a milliliter of the microsampler. We insert it into the standard sample. Smoke once. Then get rid of it. And then a second time. Draw a micro. Then insert it into the new empty bottle. Insert into an empty bottle and rotate along the bottle wall. Then push. stick the container to the wall of the bottle and circle it. Unplug. Then take this empty bottle to the oven. Bake the bottle in an 80-degree oven for 30 minutes. Remove the bottle after 30 minutes. Then with a new syringe, extracting gas from a 1 milliliter glass bottle. Enter the weather chromatograph. Then click Collect in the software. Values can be seen here. Wait for the curves to come together. The appropriate time is about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Click to stop collecting. Then click Automatic Wind Search. More quantitative methods. Selective External Standard Method. Then select Area. Enter component name according to the wind we selected. The first one is methanol. After entering the component name, and then we calculate the amount. The formula for content is density times purity divided by the number of groups. It is calculated as 7.8804. Input content. After saying this content, point OK. Then click Clear Archive. Click on the following table to archive. Click Work Curve. Click Correction. Then click OK. Click on the current window. Save as template. You can modify the file name and path. Click Save. After the standard pattern is made, sample testing is possible. We first cut the sample into a size of 10 centimeters. Then cut it into pieces. Then put the fragments into an appropriate amount of glass bottle. After the sample is packed in, put the rubber stopper on. Press the cap. In the oven, set the oven temperature to 80 degrees Celsius. Time is 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we take out the samples. Wait for the sample to be placed at room temperature. Extract 1 milliliter of gas from the bottle with a milliliter syringe. Then into the injection port. Pull out the needle and quickly press the capture button. Wait for the wind to finish. Point stop acquisition, automatic wind seeking. Click on the current window. Import method parameter template. That is, the saved standard map data. Click quantitative calculation. There will be a value corresponding to the air outlet. Then click preview. Print this to see the normal test report. It will show which ingredients are measured. Then what is the total content? If the computer is connected to the printer, the report can be printed directly. You can also export to PDF format. After the experiment is done, we need to turn the heat off. Heating off of the column box. Heating off of the sampler. We have to wait for the actual temperature to drop to around 40 degrees. To turn off the chromatography. Present sampler. The temperature of the column box detector drops below 40 degrees. We can turn it off. Then turn off the nitrogen. Empty the power switch on the all-in-one machine.